Ki khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Katanat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela, Ubak Lakman Rumbui, ulaong baka Sarkar kan namla setia ban penkha, yaki pos ki pathamai nak benta ban tungkam, yaki khat arhajar sanspa saupu wengut kinohikai school SSA, kum kinohikai school Sarkar, namar baki day kinohikai ki bala tungkam hi daki bor peniai school. Hagajing ekran bat kelat pathai kubor, ubak rembui ulaong ba wat lakat taru ka syong haga Sarkar Jela ban shim ya karai kumno ban weng ya kani gajing Hagabay day ba gajing siyaw ya katulap ubak rembui ulaya tu baka Sarkar shen kan supply no ya katulap jong kinohikai school SSA kabatang arbnai hadien baka Sarkar pedeng kala de pelaj ya kabahak bisa kaba san pokondai klor tengka syaka Sarkar Meghalaya.
We are alive to the situation. We are alive to the problem of the every section of the employee. But having said that, the constraint which we have, I think everybody knows it. I don't want to elaborate much. I have already released 80 crore last time under contingency fund, which we have released, and it is a continuous process. They can say whatever they like, but we are alive to the situation that we will try to solve the problem at hand. This problem is not a problem of 104 crore, it's not a problem of 200 crore, it's a problem of long term, how to solve this issue in a long term basis. It's not the question of this short term temporary measure. So I would like that to see that what is the issue thing to be done, so that at least the people, they will get the regular salary, they will get the thing as mandated. I am not their spokesperson. As I said, that I have to do whatever we need to do within the parameter of the law. So we will follow whatever we do, with taking into consideration that the issue at hand. Like this, who recruit them? It's not directly recruited by the government. How you could regularize? It's not a question of simple regularization. It's up to the state government. And the state government, when you talk up to the state government, you have to see what is the issue at hand, how to solve the issue. It's not a very simple decision. It is a major decision which you have to look not only today, tomorrow. It's a long-term impact is there, and it is very easy to say yes, but to implement, nobody could implement. So as I said, that this issue is a very tricky issue, which not only today, and I see that it will be very difficult even in the future also how to solve it. Yes, as you say, you are rightly pointed out, most of the SSA schools are run by the private individual, private organization, and some by the village. And most of the schools are also they don't meet the parameter set up by the central government. Which in fact, if we in Meghalaya, the problem we have is that we have excess school, we have excess teachers. So because of this is a problem. But having said that, I'm very happy that the government, whatever decision the government take at that point of time, many have got employment, and which if the government appoint a few according to the mandated, many also will not get job. But I'm very happy that they get job. What they know what is the constraint. So this is not the issue which nobody knows. They know better than me. Government, you are not look at only at the tail. You look also at the head, at the body, at the ear, at the throat. It is not that thing. You already have your lunch. Why you want to have tea? You already have your lunch. After lunch, you want to eat kwai. This is part of the system. Having said that, you see, it is not that if we cannot pay salary, why don't you stop construct the road? And if we could not pay salary, why don't you stop sanctioning for water supply? I mean, If we put question after question, I'm not here to argue. I'm not here to argue with anybody. We are here to solve the problem at hand. So people are easy to criticize any issue, one issue or not, because we take anything we take according to our own perspective, for our own benefit, not for the benefit of society. We have seen also that what is the thing to be done. Now, they talk about people criticize about a festival. You know, festival also to bring livelihood to the people. The people criticize about the Meklia Age Festival, and you know, by organizing Meklia Age Festival, the government of Meklia through New World Bank have got a sanction one road in my own constituency for 18 crore. Kudang Thamai, Kudang Rim. You see, it is not the question of anything. You tell that, people may tell that why you need ear when you have eyes, why you need thing. So this is all argument which, as the government, I'm not here to argue with anybody. We will do what is deemed fit. We will try to solve the problem. But having said that, it's not very easy to solve this problem of teachers in the state of Meklia. It's very, very tough. I must admit, in the last 3.5 years, it is not a very easy for me who head this department, and for the government, because my heart want to do, but my heart want to do, but the things that there are so many things which we cannot do.